everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve a factorial problem, that is 11 triple factorial times 3 factorial whole factorial by 7 factorial times 8 double factorial is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm going to tell you that 3 factorial whole factorial is not equals to 3 double factorial. So let's learn how to solve this factorial. First, we are aware of single factorial, that is 7 factorial. So 7 factorial, we can write this as 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. Now comes to second, 8 double factorial. If there is double factorial, that means the difference between the terms is 2. Here is single factorial. So in case of 7 factorial, the difference is 1 in the next number, and here is double factorial, so the difference is 2. So 8 factorial is 8 times 6 times 4 times 2. Now comes to 11 triple factorial. Triple factorial means the difference between the number is 3. So 11 times 8 times 5 times 2. Now comes to 3 factorial whole factorial. First 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, that is 6. So it is 6 factorial, and 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So let's put all the values and solve this. So first is 11 triple factorial. This is 11 times 8 times 5 times 2 times. Now 3 factorial whole factorial is 6 factorial. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 by 7 factorial times 8 double factorial. Now cancel out the terms. 7, 6 with 6, 5 with 5, 3, 2 and 1, here 2 and 8. So what is left? From the numerator it's 11, 5. And from denominator it's 7, 6 and 4. So 11 times 5 is 55, 7 times 6, 42 times 4 is 168. So our final answer is 55 by 168. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.